This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will set up only what you need and start the app now. Create a new ASB, NET Core MVC project with the template and choose NET7 or later. Once created, open the solution, confirm HTTPS is enabled, then scaffold a home controller with index view. Add models and views folders if missing and initialize a Git repo. Make sure your launch settings. JSON uses Kestrel and the right ports. Run the app to verify the default page loads. Now build the middle layer that makes the app useful. Define your domain models with validation attributes and then add an application DB context. Register it in program. CS using add DB context with your provider. Once configured, create migrations and update the database. Implement controllers with a sync task iAction result actions, use dependency injection for services, and return strongly typed views. Use view models to shape data and auto mapper selectively. Once done, test CRUD flows and refine model binding and validation. Complete the app by securing and deploying it. Add authentication and authorization middleware, configure identity or JWT as required, and apply policies to controllers. Configure logging and environment-specific app settings, then set secrets for production. Prepare a publish profile for IIS, a Docker file for containers, or an Azure App Service configuration. Run smoke tests and monitor logs after deployment. If something breaks, check startup/program registration order first. Most issues stem from a missing service registration or middleware placed in the wrong order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.